SendToQuickBase is a Microsoft Outlook add-on that allows you to easily save your email messages from Outlook into any QuickBase application. It can be an application you created from scratch or using one of the templates provided by Intuit. In this demonstration, we'll show you just how easy it is to use SendToQuickBase. Let me show you how SendToQuickBase automatically saves our email messages in our QuickBase application without any additional steps beyond what I normally do to send out an Outlook message. So let me go ahead and compose a message to one of our leads, perhaps, who requested some pricing information. I'll paste this here, and let me attach a document for them, as I always would in Outlook. Insert that, and now I'm just going to click Send in Outlook. And notice it says sending into QuickBase and item has been saved. I click OK. So what did I just do? I just sent an email message, as I always do, to our customer or lead, and not only did it send the email message, but it also saved it in QuickBase. So let's go log into QuickBase and see where that message was stored. I'm going to go into my sales management application. This is Track Team Pipeline. And let me list all of my opportunities here. And let's find the one that we just sent the message to and view that. And here it is. And you'll see that on this opportunity we now have an activity. And that activity is the email that we just sent. And so it's got the date and time of the email. The type is an email message, of course, and here's the body of the email. Let's go ahead and open that activity up and view it. And here are more details on it. And in fact, we have the actual attachment of the email stored right on the activity. Suppose that customer of ours replied to that email message regarding the pricing we sent them. Let's open our inbox in Outlook here, and I'll open up the reply that we received. Now, of course, we want to save this in QuickBase associated with this customer because we want a history of the correspondence. So it's simply a matter of clicking Send to QuickBase, and off it goes. And this confirmation message is optional. You can actually turn this off with a preference. So let's go back into QuickBase now, and let's open up that customer once again. And now what we'll see is, besides our original email that we sent, we have a second email now, and that's the reply from the customer. What if we had some email messages that we sent previously and want to save those in QuickBase as well? Well, we simply go to that folder, whether it be the inbox or the sent items, and we can just select the messages we want to save and click Send to QuickBase. And that's it. They're saved. There may be times when we want to save a message into QuickBase, but Send to QuickBase doesn't locate a match in our QuickBase application. So let's try and send this message and see what happens. So there's no match in the database right now. As you can see, Send to QuickBase simply shows you a list of all of the existing entries in QuickBase database for us to select from. So I'll just select this one here and click OK, and now it's been saved. There are various options we can set with Send to QuickBase, and let's take a look at some of those. Under the Tools menu, you just go to Send to QuickBase options here. Of course, we have to configure our username and password so that we can connect to QuickBase applications when we do a send. We can decide whether we want to save attachments with email messages into QuickBase or not. Remember that confirmation dialog that keeps showing up every time we send something. We can turn that off here if we wish. And we can also decide if there's no match whether or not the list should be shown or not. And here we can control how and when things are actually saved. We've been using the Send to QuickBase if match exists so that when we email a new message, it automatically is saved. But we can say prompt us instead to save into QuickBase when we send a new message, or we can use the control key when we send a new message, and then we'll be saving our message to QuickBase as well. And then this basically will turn off sending to QuickBase. You have now seen how easy it is to use SendToQuickBase to save your Microsoft Outlook email messages to any QuickBase application. Again, you just use Microsoft Outlook like you normally do, and SendToQuickBase automatically saves your message for you. There are actually many more features that we didn't touch upon, such as sending calendar items and tasks and saving those into any QuickBase application. You can try SendToQuickBase free for 14 days by visiting www.softtechexperts.com.